Look at this guy, this is a very nice plant. You can see the feet of the plant, the head, as like a bird, and let me fly it. Wow! Let me pick it up and fly it again. Note that this is not a long distance paper airplane. It's designed for a short distance. It's very good glider. Oh, let me pick it up again. Okay, let me throw it correctly. Oh, see that? Let me pick it up. One more time. Wow! Hello everybody. Welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This is a new design and the planes fly very well in and outdoor. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, don't worry, use A4 paper and it should work as well. And now let's begin. To make this new paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you do not have US letter size paper, let's try out with A4 paper. Now, first step, let me fold the paper in half this way. Next, unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from the upper edge. Start from both sides. Fold both sides to the center crease. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now, let's press down the paper. Next step, let's start from this upper tip first straight to this point. Alright. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now unfold the paper again. Alright, so now we have all the creases that we need. Let's do it this way. Start from both edge, mash both edge together like this. Let me do it. Mash the paper. Alright, and then press down this part of the paper. If you ever make a paper crane, this is a very similar fold. Alright, once I finish that side, I can push this paper down and then fold this upper part to the other side. You can hold the paper like this before you fold. Okay, this way. This works. Awesome. Okay, so now I can fold this part of the paper down. This looks very good. Next step, just like you make the crane, I fold this edge of the paper to the center crease. I will start from the bottom part first. Okay, so I press the paper down, make sure that it stays nice. Okay, and adjust the paper. Once I finish this part of the paper, I will adjust it. Okay, I finished this part of the paper. I press it down to make sure that it looks nice, and I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now this side is the same. I will adjust the paper, press down, see that, and this part of the paper as well. Okay, so this is what I have. This looks pretty cool, right? And I flip the paper over. I fold this part of the paper down. Okay. Alright, so I just want to see how it looks like. On the following step, let me fold the paper in half. Right, so now I need to adjust the wings. This is not 100% even for both sides now. That is okay because we are not making a long distance paper airplane, so this is okay for it has a little bit off for both sides. Our goal is to create a cool looking plane that can fly for a distance in and outdoor, so that's okay if it's off a little bit. Okay, now we have the plane. The next step is to create the wings, right? So I will start from this upper edge and forward to the below edge right here. Okay, but I will not forward the wings right away. I just forward the head of the plane first. Okay, and I repeat the same for the other side as well. The reason why I do not forward the wings right now because I'm going to make the head of the bird. We're going to create a bird. I didn't say the bird at the beginning, but now the goal is to make a paper bird. Okay, alright, so thus we have the fold already there. Let's fold the paper in half again. Okay, we have this part of the paper. Let's fold it up to create the head of the bird. Alright, so fold it like this. Adjust to make the head of the bird, the neck of the bird is longer. That is fine. The next step is to create the head of the bird, so I'll fold this part down. Let's see. Alright, so now I have the head of the bird. The next step is to create the wings, so I'll fold this part of the paper down. You can see that I matched the upper edge to the edge below. I pressed out the paper. Same thing for this side. Alright. I press this very hard now. That's okay. Alright, so I open the wings and this is what I have. I have a cool looking bird. Look at this, it even has a leg here and the leg on the other side. Very nice looking bird, right? If the plane doesn't fly right away, there is a trick here. You need to curve the end of the wings up. I need a pen to help me to do so, so I just wrap whatever pen I have here. Okay, this is not a very good pen to curve the this is not a very good pen to curve the wings, but it will work, so just use it. Okay, okay, so let's use the pen. Curve the wings slowly. The reason why I use a pen because it will make the wings look nicer. So I curve one side and I curve the other side. Alright, so this is what I have. Let me put the pen back over there. Now I can use my hand to curve the wings. Okay, make sure that it's curved. Alright, now I will flatten the wings out a bit. It's look very nice so far, right? You know what? This is not a long distance paper airplane, so we can twist it. We can do whatever to make the plane fly, right? So at the end of the wings, I will curve this part up to ensure that the plane will fly up. Because now the head is very heavy. Here we go. So this is what I have for the paper airplane. Wait, by the way, this is a new bird that I created recently, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane or this paper bird fly outdoor by yourself or indoor maybe, and you're surprised how well this plane will fly. By the way, don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channels if you have not. If you already, leave a comment below. Let me know how much you like about this plan and give me a suggestion for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.